Good evening, everyone. I am Kim Kishati Pinisala, and I am group leader, and my member are Paul Montalto, John Christian Pasqua, Ken Prias, and Steve Pusta. We are Group 6. We will create a game using the C programming language. Our project is Guess the Number game, with a main menu, difficulty levels, colored text, validation, loading animation, input, and the output. I will pass the explanation to my group mates who will describe how each part of the code works.
So, fourth topic for the day is set colors, open close parentheses, color codes, and Windows Edge. So, I'm the first explainer, and I will discuss the color system used in the code. Our program use is include Windows Edge. This library allows the program to modify console text colors using this function. Void set color open parentheses, int color, close parentheses. Set console text attribute, open parentheses, get std handle, open parentheses, std underscore, output underscore, handle, close parentheses, comma, color, and close parentheses. We also define color numbers such as red equals to 4, green equals to 2, and so on. This purpose on this is to make the menu and message easier to read and more interactive. Each part of the program uses a different color to show warnings, prompts, and results. So I'll go pass to my groupmate Ken.
Hey everyone, I'll be explaining loading animation function. So the program includes this function, void loading animation, constant char times message, print, new line, then %s message. For int I equals 0, I less than 5, I plus plus, print, comma, tapos, and then sleep 1000. Lastly is print new line. This makes the menu feel more modern. Each dot pauses for 1 second using Sleep 1000. It is purely for visual effect, making the user experience more enjoyable. I'll be passing the next explanation to Steve.
Day everyone. I will be discussing the main game logic inside the play game function. The game randomly picks a number from 1 to 100. Secret number equals run close parentheses %d plus 1 and semicolon. The player has limited number of attempts depending on the chosen difficulty. For each guess, the program checks. If the input is not a number, it shows error. If if guess is too high, if guess is too low, if guess is correct, the program also validates the input so it does not crash. When the usher finishes, they can choose to play again. And that's all to my presentation. I will be passing the to Pasqua.
I will explain the main menu system of the program. The menu has two options, play game and exit. If the user chooses to play, another menu appears for the difficulty. For easy, we have 5 attempts, normal is 3 attempts, and hard is 1 attempt. The program used to input checking to avoid invalid choices. After choosing the difficulty, it calls play game attempts to start the game. This makes the program organized and beginner friendly.
Thank you to our group mates for the explanation over all the program shows, use of functions, color coding, random number generation, and code validation, loops and decisions, clean and user-friendly menu. So, ato ipakita ang kuan, mga whole code din. Ano yung kuan, whole code, na siya library, Daghan siya library para sa kwan, tas napoy mga like kanang mag-define og mga color, tas set sa mga color ni kuan sa mga text. So, untod, so on and so far. So, I will show you the on how to play this game. We will show you on how to play this game. So first, let's compile and run. So let's wait. So here is the main menu. To play this game, enter 1 to choose difficulty options. So I will choose 2, loading the game. This is the what we call loading animation. So let's start thinking. This is the main guess the number. The computer, I am thinking of a number between 1 and 100. You have 3 attempts. So I will choose number 23. 23. So I input 23. Too high. I think it's 14. Oh, you guessed correct. You guessed the number. So if you want to play another game, if you no no no. If you want to play again with the same difficulty, you press Y to play the game again. So I will think the number is 20, too high. 18, too high. 10. Oh, you are out of attempts. The number was 9. Do you want to play again with the same difficulty? No. So if you choose no, returning to the main menu. So I will play the game again, loading difficulty options. We'll choose easy. It has 5 attempts and loading the game. Oh, here we go again. I think the number is 50. Too low. 85? Too low. 99. Too high. 87? Too low. 90. Oh, you're out of attempts. The number was 99. Really? Do you want to play again with the same difficulty? No. We'll choose hard. So, back to main menu again. Press 1 to go to the difficulty options. We'll choose hard. Back to the game. Oh, here again. I think it's 50. You are out of attempts. Oh no, what happened with these? If I choose no, I don't want to play. Back to main menu again, and I will choose 2 to exit. Thank you. Goodbye.